If you're considering upgrading your painting projects, an electric spray paint gun might be the perfect tool for you. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter, an electric spray paint gun can save you time, provide a smooth finish, and offer greater control compared to traditional methods. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you choose the right electric spray paint gun for your needs. HVLP guns use a high volume of air at a low pressure to atomize the paint, resulting in less overspray and a more controlled application. They are ideal for detailed work and produce a smooth, high-quality finish. Look for guns with adjustable flow control, pattern settings, and pressure controls. These features allow you to customize the spray to your project requirements and achieve the desired finish. Electric spray guns come with varying power levels. Higher wattage and pressure can improve the efficiency and coverage but may also increase noise and weight. Balance your needs with the available power options. This HVLP gun is budget-friendly and highly rated for its consistent performance and ease of cleaning, making it ideal for DIY projects. Always check user reviews and ratings to gauge real-world performance and reliability. Additionally, consider the manufacturer's warranty and customer support, as these can be crucial if you encounter any issues with your gun. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision and choose an electric spray paint gun that meets your needs and enhances your painting projects.